The Knowledge Worker Copilot can track any repeating process that involves human-to-human workflow data extraction from documents and messages, as well as subsequent calls to APIs and agents. In this example, we consider a hiring process that requires approval from an accountable manager, an offer to an employee prospect, and the final onboarding agent. Understand that a copilot process can have as many steps as needed to accomplish an objective. Additionally, defining these processes is straightforward and can be achieved by any business person. The hiring manager, Tom, is asking the digital assistant to start the hiring process. He sends the following information to the digital assistant via the chat. He wishes to hire Barb Anthony as a marketing coordinator. As we can see here in the Google chat, the information is copied into the chat, and the digital assistant recognizes the text as indicating a hiring process. After the process is started, the digital assistant informs Tom. As the process proceeds, the Knowledge Worker Copilot creates the email label associated with the contacts, adds the contact, and schedules the event in Tom's Google Workspace calendar. Next, a message is sent to Angie, the accountable manager, with the information extracted into an email template. Here's the contact information that the Copilot created for the new hire. We can see that it was categorized as a candidate. We have the employment start date for the candidate on the candidate calendar. Here is the offer suspense date. The email was created for the executive's approval. In step 3, Angie will receive and approve the request. The Knowledge Worker Copilot will then create a draft offer letter in the responsible manager's folder for the candidate. Tom will review and forward the email. Now we are looking at Angie's inbox. She has received a new hire request. She will open the email and approve the request. The Knowledge Worker Copilot understands the approval process and recognizes that the email is related to the hiring process for Barb Anthony. Now that we have returned to Tom's Google Workspace account, he will navigate to the folder for Barb Anthony and view the draft email that the Knowledge Worker Copilot has placed there. He reviews and sends the email to the candidate. In the fourth step, Barb, the candidate, approves the offer. Information could be passed back and forth. The Knowledge Worker Copilot will listen to the message and understand when an offer is accepted or rejected. If the offer is accepted, the Copilot initiates an onboarding agent with the relevant information for the employment. Here we are in Barb's Google Workspace email client, and she accepts the offer. Using natural language understanding, the Knowledge Worker Copilot sees the acceptance of the offer and starts the employee onboarding agent. Here in Tom's Google Workspace client, you can see he has received the approval, and he can confirm or query the digital assistant about the status of a hiring process. In summary, the following are the principal benefits that the Knowledge Worker Copilot offers when assisting with repetitive processes that involve human-to-human interactions. You can even replace one of the roles with an AI that has been trained, using Copilot tools to interact with others in the workflows. AI can be developed for requesters, reviewers, and approvers. Thank you for listening today. For more information or to book a demo, visit our website at kw-copilot.ai. On our website, you will find a variety of resources related to improving efficiency and integrating AI roles into your organization's workflows, utilizing our unique approaches.